Hey everybody, this is Luke from Go Outside Play. Wanted to do a small video, nothing really complicated and long, but just wanted to show you what I'm working on this morning. I'm Frankensteining my Fisher plow into something that it can grab more snow. Because every time you're angling it or going straight, snow is pouring out from the sides. And since I have the loader and it's got a bigger capacity, it's heavier, it's 13,000 pounds, well, I can just go ahead and plow straight and pick up the most snow I can grab, and not have some banks. So that's really nice. So initially I wanted to just put some ears, I'm not sure if that's the right term, on the ends. Sometimes you've got some plows that has some ears that you hydraulically move, so you can move them all the way backwards and then you can scrape going backwards. So I am not doing anything complicated like that. I just bought some steel that's the height of the plow, and I bought another plate to go on top. So what I do is I tilt my plow completely facing towards the ground when I'm close to the garage or a wall, and it allows me to scrape going backwards. And then I just tilt it back down and I'm done. So what I did is I used the holes on the sides of the plow. I'm not sure how solid it's gonna be or how it's gonna react. If you have any comments, don't hesitate to let me know, maybe to make it stronger in the back. But here's what I did right now. Let's see. So this is the side. So you got some half-inch bolts that are grabbing on to here. There were some holes already made, and these guys were made to go there with the square part in back. I'll show you. This is what I put. You can see that square part that fits in that hole. So, and I fabricated some spacers, some tubing that I had laying around here. It's about more than an 1/8 thick galvanized steel. So these guys are doing the spacer so I can really tighten it there. So I'm not sure if I should put some tubing here. I'm not sure it's gonna work. It's gonna have a lot of pressure like this, because this guy here on top will have these. I'm sorry if you're getting dizzy here. Inside here, and it'll be welded to secure them all together, so it'll be a pretty strong corner. So you can see the plow is way in back there, so I'll have a nice capacity to bring some snow, especially to do the cleanup, because I'm using the V plow on the pickup to do most of the road, but to clean up around, there's a lot of moving around, a lot of snow being left behind. So now I'll be able to just pick it up with this thing. This is just to shore this, because it has no support yet. So these guys will go inside. Man, this thing is really impressive. Some cutting blades. We mostly do carpentry because we're in construction, but when I saw these metal blades, I was skeptical. I said, man, that's not gonna cut through this. And it did. Yeah, it's just something I learned. It was surprising. Don't laugh. We don't know everything in life. So, and these guys here are about not 40 inches, 36. So I'm gonna cut 45-degree angles, and these guys will be going. Sorry about that camera going back and forth. This will be going like this, roughly inside. So that will brace this from wanting to go out. Not a lot of pressure. I mean, it's always, I'm not going to be working commercially with this, just our yard and all that. And it'll be supporting the top part here. When I flip it up back, you know, this will go like this. So this edge will be on the ground. It will be equal. I just have to bring it over here. So this will have screws at all the holes there. I don't want to do any permanent welding on the plow, just in case I want to sell it eventually, and take that steel plate off. So basically it will be bolted on that end, bolted on the plow, and they will have reinforcements welded on the plate so that there's less pressure on the plow. We'll see. If you guys had any input, don't hesitate to let me know. So that's what we're working on. I'm gonna continue finishing that up. I'll show you the end result, and I'll post some videos of some plowing, of course. And stay tuned for some videos of plowing with the Fisher plow, the V-blade on the pickup. And we finally got some snow. Just a shame the loader doesn't have the float. Man, it's a bit aggravating, you know. But hey, you can't have everything. You've got the telescoping boom, so that's it. So I'll show you some the continuation on that on some other videos. Have a good one.